Melbourne. Lovely turn from Foord, using all her experience. Arsenal player. Kerr is an option. Next to Gorry. A long drive hits the bar. Gorry with the first attempt and almost the first goal for Australia.
They were very, very young in the squads we were involved in previously, but developing really well.
Holland. The referee was well placed.
To be fair, there's been a few tackles today that the referee has let go, and I think that could be another one that is... oh, you could look at that in different ways, couldn't you?
If the boot was on the other foot and that was a Wales defender, would we be saying that's shoulder to shoulder and therefore it's fair game? We've seen from Australia so far. It's not a trick, it was. And Foord goes down in a really dangerous position here. Kerry Holland with the tackle.
Yeah, you can just see there's a little bit late, split second too late, and you can see the ball's gone past, and then Kerry Holland's lifting her leg up, an obvious one for the referee.
How about this position, Jane? For Australia, right on the edge of the penalty area. You can see Sophie Middleton-Patel just trying to organise the two-woman wall, consisting there of Morgan and Holland. It's a tight angle. Whipped in towards Kerr! Well, it's 1-0. And I think it went straight in. Kerr was certainly on that near post, but it's Nevin who celebrates the goal.
From a Wales perspective, they'll be really disappointed because we've just frozen. We've got the movement from the yellow and green shirts, and our red team defensively, our backline players, it's like we're just watching them run past us. It's like we haven't switched on to the ball is about to be played, which is really disappointing for the girls because they've started this game so well. But look, you can't give, like you said, one of the best forwards on the planet that ball. You could see her just pushing her hands down and say, take your time, take your time.
That's it, Fishlock tackle. Puts in Cain. Well, it was like England all over again in St Gallen. Fishlock setting up Cain, but not the result that they wanted.
A great tackle there from Jess Fishlock, obviously getting up really quick as well to start that attack for Wales. Good combination play, good movement from Cain. She's on the blind side of the defender, and then obviously that touch. She can't get enough on the strike, can she? You know, obviously falling backwards at the time.
Fishlock with a dummy. And finds Holland. Still Kerry Holland towards Griffiths. Oh, just behind Mared Griffiths. Comes out to Fishlock! We've seen her do it so many times before.
Great strike there from Jess. But
Nevin. Was given away by Wheeler, and it's opened up for Wales. And Cain, Fishlock. Here's Griffiths. Tries it!
what a goal!
Well, the afternoon may be about Fishlock, but one of the next generation has just stolen the limelight. Brilliant goal from Mared Griffiths.
Yeah, some really good moments there from Wales, showing how well they press. As we've seen most of the game, to be fair, now we see Jess taking it inside, obviously gets nicked off her, but really good decision there from Mared Griffiths. She's composed, she's aware of where the opportunity to hit that net is, and she dinks it up over the goalkeeper.
A goal on her first start for Mared Griffiths of Manchester United. And the next generation is being celebrated on Fishlock's final game. And didn't Rhea Wilkinson enjoy that? He'll win it. McNamara comes on his way to Ceri. Foord is in here. Foord right middle to Patel. Still a lot to do. And it's a corner. But under the circumstances, that'll do for Wales.
Well, look, Wales did really well to recover back in, but here we see it again. Caitlin Foord, the most impactful player of the last 5 minutes. That touch has just taken her a bit too far for her to set herself up to get a shot off. But obviously plays it back to a teammate, but good recovery run from Wales players there. Getting lots of bodies back in. Obviously goalkeeper getting reset as well.
Take from Switzerland, the 2 goals in particular. Here's Carpenter. Bombing forward. Courtney-Cross behind Carpenter. Foord! 2-1. And it has been coming. Australia's quality has shone through.
Disappointing for Wales, but great goal from an Australia perspective. We see the pace and power on the right hand side of Ellie Carpenter, and then her following her run to cause confusion for the back line. We see the pass here just into the wide area, the cross. Caitlin Foord finds herself free because of the run of her teammates taking the defenders away from her. So look, you'll notice the finish here from Caitlin Foord, but look at the amount of space that she's had. And maybe I'm giving Wales too much credit by saying, look, the run of Ellie Carpenter has taken the defenders away, but they have to be aware of the centre forward right in the middle of the box there. It's an easy finish for her, not much chance for the goalkeeper to do much about that.
Hit with such pace from close range, and Foord makes it to Cain. It's a tough one to take. Jess says the time is right. Ball through the Foord. Is it 3-1? Good save. Middleton-Patel. Stood tall.
Hayley de Gemma, substitution for Cymru. Galakai, leaving the field. Amatrola for the last time in a Cymru shirt.
It's the end of an era.
Reading, number 10, Jess
Fishlock salutes the Cardiff crowd. But frankly, it's us who should salute her. Thank you for the memories, Jess Fishlock. A legend of Welsh football says goodbye.
Just watching the hug now. Obviously, at the opposite end of the spectrum is one of our younger, talented players, Tianna, taking the pitch. So lovely to see her have an opportunity. But like Jess, I hope Jess enjoys this moment. I'm sure she'll never forget this. And I think I go back to what I said earlier, Simon, though. Why is she retiring? She's had a great game.
And she's had a wonderful Welsh career. But all good things must come to an end. And Jess Fishlock takes her seat for the final time. What a player she has been. Yeah, when we talk about the next generation, it's moments like that will mean so much. Wales don't want to concede again here, but the drive from McNamara was an ambitious one, to say the least. Had to have been special to beat Middleton-Patel from there.
Look, she's driving inside, a little bit of space to use, but doesn't catch the strike very well at all.